Welcome to this week's episode of Old School Tech Tutorials. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to use your Mail app on an Apple and then also grab your iPhone and take a picture of a receipt or a recipe or some sort of document and actually scan something that you've got sitting on your desk right to yourself on your email. This is so easy. It's such a cool little trick. So what you're going to do is open a new mail message, make yourself the recipient. So put your own email address in the to section. I'm going to be scanning a recipe, so that's why this says recipe. You're going to come on over here to the two little photos right here in the drop down menu, and you're going to hit scan documents. Now for the next part of this, you're not going to be able to see my phone, but I'm going to hit scan documents, grab my iPhone, and literally take a picture of a document of a recipe that's sitting right next to me. And my phone is just going to open up and be ready to scan this document after I hit scan documents. So come over here to scan document. My phone is now ready to scan this document. There we go. Okay, I just wanted to show you real quick what it's going to look like on your iPhone when you do the scan documents button on your email. You don't need any special app or software to scan the documents. And I know you couldn't see that before when I was filming on the computer. You don't even have to press your camera app. It's going to automatically open up for you. I'm going to hit scan documents now for that recipe. And my phone is opened up. I'm just going to hit the button. I'm going to hit keep scan. Then I'm going to hit save. And now that recipe has been imported into my email. Give it a minute. There we go. Now I'm in my inbox. You're going to see it arrive here in just a second. There it is. My email to myself with the scanned document. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Old School Tech Tutorials. I hope you have a great day, and I hope this was helpful to somebody. Bye-bye.